Right, you lot. Welcome to Colombia, the land of vibrant culture, breathtaking landscapes, and bloody brilliant juices. We're not talking about some watered-down rubbish here. Colombian juices are a bloody explosion of fresh flavors, packed with more natural goodness than you can shake a stick at. Get ready to dive into a world of exotic fruits and taste sensations that will blow your mind. From the tangy zest of Lulo to the creamy sweetness of Guanabana, we'll uncover the secrets behind these refreshing masterpieces. So buckle up, you donkey. Get those taste buds ready because we're about to explore the vibrant world of Colombian juices. First up, we've got Lulada. This bright green beauty is made with Lulo, a citrus fruit bursting with a tangy, almost tart flavor. Imagine a mix of rhubarb, lime, and maybe a hint of passion fruit. That's the Lulo. Now, to make this bad boy, we're going to blend these ripe Lulos with water and sugar until it's smooth as silk. None of that chunky rubbish, alright? Then we'll strain the mixture to get rid of those pesky seeds. Serve it up over ice with a sprig of fresh mint and a squeeze of lime. The mint adds a refreshing kick, while the lime enhances the Lulo's natural zest. Trust me, this is the perfect drink to cool down on a scorching Colombian day. It's like a wake-up call for your taste buds. Sharp, invigorating, and bloody delicious. Next up, we're diving into the exotic world of tamarind with Aguas frescas de tamarindo. Tamarind is a bit of a chameleon. It's got this sweet and sour thing going on that'll make your taste buds dance. Now, to tame this beast, we start by soaking the tamarind in warm water until it softens up. Then, we'll give it a good mash to release all that tangy goodness. Once we've extracted all the flavor, we'll strain the mixture to get rid of those fibrous bits. For a touch of sweetness, we'll add some sugar and water to taste. Finally, we'll finish it off with a slice of lime for an extra zing. The lime cuts through the sweetness of the tamarind, creating a perfectly balanced drink that'll leave you wanting more. Let's be honest, everyone loves a good blackberry, and in Colombia they take their blackberries seriously, turning them into a stunning jugos de mora. This juice is like a taste of the Colombian countryside, pure, simple, and bursting with natural sweetness. To capture that vibrant blackberry flavor, we'll start by blending fresh, ripe blackberries with water and sugar. We're not looking for a smoothie here, so keep the blending brief. Just a quick blitz to release those juices. Now, nobody wants a mouthful of seeds, do they? So we'll strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve to remove any bits and pieces. Serve this beauty chilled with a few ice cubes, and you've got a refreshing treat that's perfect for any occasion. It's the perfect balance of sweet and tart, and it's packed with antioxidants so you can feel good about indulging. Right, you lot, get ready for Guanabana. This fruit is the stuff of dreams. Creamy, sweet, and with a taste that screams tropical paradise. It's like a cross between a pineapple and a banana, with a hint of something truly exotic. Now, to make this beauty, we'll start with ripe Guanabana pulp. Scoop out that creamy goodness and toss it into a blender with some water and sugar. Give it a good blitz until it's smooth and creamy, like a milkshake. You can drink it as is for a refreshing treat, or you can get creative. Add a splash of coconut milk for extra creaminess, or blend it with some ice cream for a truly decadent smoothie. Trust me, this juice will transport you straight to a beach in Colombia. It's the perfect way to unwind after a long day and soak up those tropical vibes. Hold on to your hats because we're about to dive into the world of viche. Now, this isn't your average fruit. Viche is a type of palm fruit native to the Pacific coast of Colombia. It's got a unique flavor that's a bit tart, a bit earthy, and totally addictive. To make aguas de viche, we'll start by juicing those vibrant orange viche fruits. Once we've got our viche juice, we'll mix it with water and a touch of sugar to balance out that tartness. This juice is a staple on the Colombian coast, and once you taste it, you'll understand why. It's refreshing, invigorating, and unlike anything you've ever tasted before. Let's be honest, who doesn't love a good pineapple? And in Colombia, they know how to do pineapple justice with their Jugo de Pina. This juice is like sunshine in a glass, bright, sweet, and bursting with tropical flavor. Now, to make the perfect Jugo de Pina, we need to start with a ripe pineapple. You want one that's golden yellow and smells like pure paradise. Once you've found your perfect pineapple, peel it, chop it up, and toss those chunks into a blender. Add a splash of fresh water and give it a good blitz until it's smooth and creamy. Serve this beauty over ice with a garnish of fresh pineapple slices and get ready to be transported to a beach in Colombia. Sometimes the simplest things are the best, and that's definitely true for Jugo de Naranja, or as we call it back home, orange juice. But trust me, Colombian oranges are something special. They're bursting with flavor and sunshine, making for a glass of juice that's simply divine. Making Jugo de Naranja is about as straightforward as it gets. Grab a handful of those juicy Colombian oranges and get squeezing. You want fresh squeezed juice here? None of that bottled rubbish. Once you've squeezed your oranges, pour that liquid gold over ice and get ready for a taste sensation. It's bright, it's zesty, and it's the perfect way to start your day, or to enjoy as a refreshing pick-me-up. When the sun is blazing, and you need a refreshing escape, look no further than Jugo de Sandia, a watermelon juice that's as vibrant and refreshing as a Colombian summer. Watermelon is like nature's own thirst quencher, and in Colombia, they turn it into a juice that's simply irresistible. To make this summertime classic, start with a ripe watermelon. You want one that's heavy for its size and sounds hollow when you give it a good knock. Once you've found the perfect melon, chop it up and toss those juicy chunks into a blender. Now you can strain the juice for a smoother texture, but personally I like to keep it a bit rustic. A little bit of pulp adds a lovely texture and a burst of freshness. Serve your Jugo de Sandia chilled with a sprig of mint for the ultimate refreshment. It's the perfect way to cool down, unwind, and embrace those lazy, hazy days of summer. Get ready for a taste explosion because we're about to dive into the creamy, dreamy world of limonada de coco. This drink is like a tropical vacation in a glass. It's sweet, tart, refreshing, and utterly addictive. Now to create this masterpiece, we need the perfect balance of tangy lime and creamy coconut. Start by juicing a handful of fresh limes. Once you've got your lime juice, toss it into a blender with some creamy coconut milk, sugar to taste, and a good handful of ice. Blitz it all together until it's smooth, frothy, and utterly irresistible. Serve your limonada de coco in a tall glass with a garnish of fresh lime and a sprinkle of grated coconut for an extra touch of tropical flair. This drink is the perfect way to escape the ordinary and transport yourself to a beachside paradise. Now for our final Colombian juice adventure, we're going to try something truly unique, Jugo de Pitaya, or dragon fruit juice. This vibrant pink juice is not only visually stunning, but it's also packed with antioxidants and a delicate, refreshing flavor. Dragon fruit might look a bit intimidating with its spiky exterior, but don't let that scare you. Inside that tough exterior is a sweet, slightly tangy flesh that's an absolute delight. To make Jugo de Pitaya, simply peel and chop the dragon fruit, removing the seeds if you prefer a smoother texture. Toss the chopped dragon fruit into a blender with a splash of water and a touch of sugar to enhance its natural sweetness. Blitz it all up until it's smooth and vibrant, and then pour it over ice for a refreshing treat. Well, there you have it, you lot. A whirlwind tour of Colombia's most delicious and refreshing juices. From the tangy zest of Lulada to the creamy sweetness of Guanabana, these juices are a testament to Colombia's incredible biodiversity and its people's passion for fresh, vibrant flavors. So, next time you're feeling thirsty, skip the sugary drinks and reach for one of these Colombian classics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me about your favorite Colombian juice in the comments below. Until next time, stay thirsty, my friends.